Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine. This is Javed Zulfikar, your mathematics teacher. Today we are going to starting our exercise 1B of new syllabus of Oxford 7th edition, also called D1 Mathematics. Exercise 1B that we are going to starting. This is about LCM and HCF. First of all, we'll see about HCF, how to find the HCF. In HCF, there is question number 1, a very simple basic level question, and question number 2 is about LCM that we are going to solving. So in question number 1, find the HCF, find the highest common factor of the following. So first of all, I want to introduce what is highest common factor. Highest means the greatest one. The biggest is called highest, yes. And common that is present in more than 2, more than 1, more than 2, more than 3. But a simple, the definition of common that is present in more than one thing. Clear? Like if 2 is present in first and second and third values, then 2 will be common, like this. So, common, and the next is factor. Factor is the number, with example I will tell you. If the number that can divide 10, 1, 2, 5. The numbers that can divide a number 10, 1, 2 and 5. 1, 2 and 5 are the factors of 10. The numbers that can divided by other number, the number that is other numbers, that are called the factors. Like I gave an example, take any other example. 4, factors of 4, 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4 are exactly divisible by 4. So these are the factors of 4. Clear? So divisible, no need to say exactly. When we say divide, we can say that exactly. Clear? So highest common factor. Highest means the greatest common that is present in more than 2, more than 1. And factor, these are the numbers that can divide the given numbers. Clear? These are the factors. So in highest common factor, first of all, we will take the prime factors of the given number and add the given numbers. At the end, we will take the common one, that will be the HCF. So let's see the question. Question number A, 12 and 30. We have to find the highest common factor in 12 and 30. Okay, so we'll take 12. The prime factor of 12 are 2, 2 and 3. 30 are 2, 3 and 5. So now we'll see the HCF of 12 and 30. That are 2. Yes, 2 is here common for one time, and 3. So 2 into 3, that will be 6. So 6 is the highest common factor. Clear all the students? Okay. Now we'll take 84. So in 84, after taking the prime factor of 84, 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, and then 156, 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 raised to power 2 is common, and then after 3 is common. So 2 power 2 into 3, that is equal to 12. So 12 is the highest common factor of 84 and 156. Clear? Okay. 15 and 16. So after taking 15, the prime factor of 15 are 3 and 5. Prime factor of 60 are 2 into 2 into 3 and 5. Clear? So we'll take, and 75 is also 3 values are here. 3 into 5 power 2. So now we will see what is common. First of all, 3 is common. Yes, common. Now 5 is common. So 3 into 5, that is 15. So 15 is the highest common factor. This 5 is here for 2 times, but common is for 1 time. So we'll take 5 only. And 3 into 5, 15. The highest common, the ICF of 15, 60 and 75 is 15. Clear? All the students? Now 77 7 into 11, 91, 7 into 13, 143, 11 into 13. So HCF of 77, 91 and 143. Look, that is very important question. Here nothing is common in all 77, 91 and 143. Students, one thing that is to be noted. You can find the prime factorization in front of your question. No issue. But if you know, you can write with the help of calculator. Okay, so 143, 11 into 13. Here nothing is common in all three. Yes. So what we will do? We'll take 1 where there is no anything common in HCF in any 2 or 3 or 4 values. 1 will be common for all. So 1 is the HCF, highest common factor. Clear all the students? इस तरह का क्वेश्चन कोई भी पेपर में आ जाता है जिसमें कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं, so you will write 1. Done? Okay, next question. Find the lowest common multiple. So first of all, I want to explain that what is lowest common multiple. Lowest, that is the smallest. Common, that is present in more than one time. Multiples, I will tell you multiple with a little example. Multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 like this. Multiple of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes, these are the multiples. So LCM, lowest common multiple. In LCM, first of all, we'll take the prime factorization. Okay, that's the same procedure as HCF. But at the end, we will take common and non-common, both the factors. Clear all the students? We will take common and non-common, both factors, both multiples, so that our answer will come like this. Let's see. 24, 2 power 3 into 3, 30, 2 into 3 into 5. So these are the prime factors. Now we will take, I told about LCM common and non-common. LCM of 24 and 30 is 2 power 3. Look, 2 power 3 is not common. Only 2 is common. So we will take 2 power 3. Yes, so 2 has done in 2 power 3. And 3 and 5. Clear? So these are the common and non-common both. And then after multiplication we get 120 is the LCM of 24 and 30. Clear? Now we take 12. So 12 is 2 power 2 into 3. 18 2 into 3 power 2. 81 3 power 4. So LCM is 2 power 2 into 3 power 4. Look, 2 power 2 in both. 2 is here in both, not in all, not in 3. So only 2 is common. We take 2 power 2. So 2 has done in this. Now 3 power 4. Look, 3 power 4 is the greatest. We take 3 power 4. So all these has done. So 3 power 4 after multiplication we will get 324. That is the process of LCM, basic procedure of LCM. I solved A and C part, and remaining part are B and D. You people will try by yourself. That is about page 21, exercise 1B. The remaining question will your homework, and you people will try more and more practice so that these questions become very easy and easy for you. So that till next lecture, मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.